As you can see, I'm trying to install Wine, but Ubuntu is not allowing the installation to continue and instead shows this error message. The good news is that the fix is very simple. Ubuntu already tells us what we need to do. You can simply copy the command shown in the error message and paste it. After pressing enter, Ubuntu will start repairing the interrupted packages automatically. You will notice messages such as setting up and creating config file. This is completely normal. It means Ubuntu is finishing tasks that were left incomplete during a previous update or installation. Now, all you need to do is wait for the process to finish. Once everything is complete, run the update command to refresh the package list and make sure everything is working properly. After the update finishes, try installing Wine again using the same command that gave the error before. As you can see, this time there is no error message. The installation starts normally and everything works as expected. So if you are trying to install Wine or any other software and you get the dpkg was interrupted error, simply run the command suggested by Ubuntu, wait for it to finish, update your package list, and then try the installation again. In most cases, this will solve the problem right away. I hope this tutorial helped you.